Unlocking your digital marketing potential, mastering modern marketing. In this training, I want to briefly explain to you what digital marketing is all about. Okay, you're going to discover the strategy to elevate your digital marketing career. But before then, let me show you quickly what digital marketing is. As you can see, people are only doing two things on the internet. This is the overall concept of digital marketing. Understanding this now will makes you a pro digital marketing personnel. All right, so people are on Facebook. Your job as a digital marketer is to get them to click on your advertisement. As you can see order here. Let them click on this, then come to your website, make order, purchase what you are selling, and then you make money. Secondly, people are also on YouTube, people are on Instagram, people are on LinkedIn. Your job is to let them to click from that place where they are to come to your website to learn about your services, book you for graphic designer, book you for affiliate marketing, coaching program, and all of that. People are on Google currently researching. Your job is to let them click on your blog, let them click on your content, your website, and let them click to come to your own personal website that you have control of, and then do business with you. That is the concept of what? Digital marketing. So in this training, I'll be walking you through what you need to understand and where you need to stay put and utilize the potentials that lies in this digital marketing to elevate your skill and make a whole revenue for yourself. All right, so you will learn how to connect your audience and drive business growth in today's digital marketing landscape. All right, so why does it matter? Why is it important that you learn digital marketing? Okay, so let me give you a quick overview of the importance of what digital marketing. Number one is it has targeted reach. In digital marketing, you will connect people in all over the country, across the country where you are. There is no limit to the number of people that you can connect. You can be in Lagos, connecting people in Abuja, in Jamaica, wherever they are. So there is no reach. There is no limit to amount of reach you can get to. Number one, that it is measurable. In digital marketing, you can be able to track your measurements. Okay, you are able to analyze it, track what is working and what is not working. Okay, you analyze your performance. It is very, very trackable. In digital marketing, it is cost effective. You can easily put in 20,000, 30,000 naira in your marketing effort, and then you make up to like 300% return on the investment, which is 3 times of the money you are spending. That is it. Okay, so you cannot compare it with traditional kind of marketing where you are sharing handbills, going to television, going to be based on billboard and radio station. No, digital marketing is cost effective and very, very easily to do. So you can easily put in a low budget. You can see it here now. Put in small amount of money here, and then boom, you are advertising for brands, you are advertising for your businesses and clients and people around you. So it is very, very important for you to utilize digital marketing for yourself. All right, so let us proceed. And as I've given you the concept that digital marketing is all about doing two things. People are on platform social media. Your job is for you to get them from that place to do business with you. All right, so number one is you need to learn about social media. Good. Easily interact with your audience, whereby you post content on those platforms, you boost it, and instantly people are engaging, people are liking, people are taking their reactions, what they are saying, the way they are reacting. You are taking note of all of that. Next again is called brand personality. People get to know what you do. All right, that brand itself, people get to come when they see your content that this person is selling this kind of thing like shoe or clothing or whatsoever. Your brand personality, you can build it so easily. Next again is called viral potential. Through your content strategy, you can able to get people that you have not even known before. They get to do business with you. That is on social media. Next again now is you need to learn what is called SEO, which is another concept in digital marketing. Okay, climb the search rankings, attract quality lead. So with SEO, you could able to gain visibility, see people on the internet. You can see here now, increase your visibility, organic traffic, and credibility. Just like as you can see here now. Like this is a landing page, my website on affiliate marketing that gets me tons of traffic on the internet without even doing advertisement. People get to locate me, know about my whatever I do, come to me and say they're interested, and they can get to register for the affiliate marketing program I'm doing. That is what is meant to be SEO. Learn SEO. Something like this now. This is on Google. You can see here now, people, all this content you are seeing here on this page here now, this is called SEO. People wrote content and it is ranking on Google first page. These are people's article. That is how you can utilize the concept of SEO. As you can also see here, these are also what people are searching for. You can see people also search for this. You can write article on this content here now, and then you get to show up on Google first page, coming up like this. People can easily click through this link and come to your website, know about what you do, read through. You can see I wrote a whole bunch of article. Let me show you. All right, you can see if you click on my article here, you can see different article I wrote that is bringing me customer traffic. So these are also part of what digital marketing you must also gonna learn. In our program, we're gonna teach you more about how to do all of that. Even web design, you're also gonna also see more of it. I've written about digital marketing, I've written about AI, I've written about website, a whole lot of content, as you can see here. Let us proceed from here. Okay, next again is called content is the king. You're gonna learn content creation is part of digital marketing. You're gonna learn how to write content that gets rank on Google. Not that you get you traffic, not that you are writing it is not ranking. You write those content and it brings you quality traffic, quality buyers, people who are interested in what your services and your products. Okay, let me show you again. Let us proceed from there. Okay, no, you need to know that during writing of content, there are a few things you must take into consideration. You must learn keyword research. All right, how to do keyword research on those platforms. There are tools you need to learn to use, like SEMrush, SEMscope, Google Keyword Planner. Those things are the tools for what doing SEO, so that you know how to write specifically for your audience. You're gonna drive traffic, valuable content. Okay, those the content that solve their problem. We're also going to be learning how to go about it. Next part of digital marketing again is web design, because you can see on this website now it is web design. Okay, so you need to learn the skill of designing website. It also pays tremendous amount of money. Okay, clients get to give you money for you to do a professional website for them. You can do website for real estate, website for land banking, website for clothing. Those are what you could do as a digital marketer. You can specialize on doing websites, and also get you a whole lot of money. That is another concept of what digital marketing. And that one again is called affiliate marketing. This is whereby you get to, I was done a video on this on my channel. I've done a breakdown of affiliate marketing and what it's all about. You can check the video here to learn about it. Okay, affiliate marketing is whereby you're gonna partner with brands and then promote their product and making money with it. And that concept of affiliate digital marketing is called influencer marketing, whereby you can build your brand and then people get to come to you for you to advertise for them, help them to promote their brand and their businesses, their products. That is another concept of what digital marketing. Next again is called graphic design, video editing. These are also skills that is also under digital marketing that you can actually learn and then utilize it for yourself. Okay, for this program, if you are coming from our blog or you are coming from our advertisement about digital marketing, you get to locate our physical location. Okay, at Ibejuleki, a place they call Awuyaya. Okay, Ogunfayo Estate. That is where we have our physical training. In Lagos, you get to learn about affiliate marketing, about our program like affiliate marketing, digital marketing, content creation. All of that is being taught here. Okay, even SEO, search ranking, advertising, we will teach all of that there. If you are also in Abakaliki, we have our location at number 7 Azugu Road. Okay, you get to learn about our program. Do you understand? So the costing price is dependent of what you want to learn. For digital marketing, full marketing class is 250,000 naira. Or everything you need to learn about digital marketing as I'm explaining it here. Okay, all of them, social media marketing, you're gonna learn it. SEO, you're gonna also learn about it. Advertisement is also inside of it. How to create content is also about in there. Web design is also in there. Graphic, a whole lot of them. All this that I've mentioned is also in there. For right now, you can take advantage of it and attend your physical training. Also do online training as well, whereby you get to learn or have said online. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the video in the comment section. I also click the link below to also hit me on my WhatsApp to learn more to know more how you can get started with our digital marketing bootcamp. If you are also interested in each of these courses one by one, like video editing, you can take it one by one, each of them. Anyone that you think is of interest to you, let me know what's your concern and where you find value in this training. Okay, watch this video here to learn more about affiliate marketing and also real estate, how you gonna make money from it. Okay, Evijamon is my name. See you on the next one. Bye and sign out right now.